Hey guys, it is Kayla Waller with Waller Adventures. I got Audrey with me. And we are camping at Anastasia Park, and today is our last day. So stick around and check out and see what happens. So here at Anastasia Park, you can come out here for today. As you can see, everyone is out here at the beach for the day. But right over there, you can see that building. That little building is like a shop, like a beach shop. But right beside it is a little restaurant. Well, kind of like a little snack shack type thing. So we're going to eat there and see how it is. All right, so you can come to the little beach store. You can rent like bikes, hour, 2 hour, 4 hour, full day. You can rent like beach chairs, umbrellas, boogie boards, surfboards, things like that. Get ice and everything. But here is the Island Beach Grill. So we're going to order something to eat for lunch. We'll let you know how it is. So they got like a little nice seating area.
A few moments later.
Alright, so Audrey got the BOT. As it falls apart. Super analyzing. It's alright. Alright, so I got the surf wrap. It's got grilled fish in it. You can see. Pretty good. Poop on top. All right, so we had a pretty good lunch. Yeah. So now we're getting ready to go to our other adventure for today, which is kayaking in the inlet. So let's go do that. All right, so if you are driving into Anastasia Park, this will be the first spot you see. Or if you're coming from the campsite, just hang a left and it's right here on the right side of the road. But at the end of the road is the beach access. This is the place where you can rent kayaks, canoes. You can even rent small sailboats, which is really cool. I have thought about renting a small sailboat, but I don't know sailing enough to do that. Audrey doesn't either. So you can come up here to the Anastasia Water Sports, and that's where we got our bait when we went fishing. You can see you can get bait here, and you can, like I said, rent all the stuff here. All right, guys, we are kayaking. So when we were out here fishing, we saw a whole bunch of turtles swimming around us. So we might see some turtles. So also while you're here, this is like the ideal spot to go paddle boarding and kayaking, because you're in the inlet. You don't have to really fight over waves, things like that. Uh-oh. A mullet just jumped out of the water. Alright, so right here, you can see in front of me where those cars are. That little inlet, or that little entrance right there. That's where we were fishing. But that fishing video is going to be dropping at some point. So be on the lookout for that. Right now the tide is going out. But you can see how deep it gets, the tide gets. Nice day to go kayaking. I saw a turtle pop his head out over there. Had a guy on a paddle board. Audrey's over there having issues. Woo! Fishy just, oh, there's some more fishies jumping. So all the fish you see jumping out of the water are mullet. They're big, huge mullets. And I started about this way so the current can take me on. Why were you all behind? I mean, why were you behind?
Putting sunblock on my feet.
Oh, you want to knock me out?
Bam!
I've already touched the bottom.
I'm pretty sure the fishies and or turtles are having fun touching the bottom of my kayak.
Why are they? Oh, yeah.
Underneath. I'm waiting for one of these motherfuckers to jump in my kayak. It's like, you mine, motherfucker.
Well, there's no size limit on those mullets.
Is that what keeps jumping up out of the water?
Yeah. They're big, huge mullets. There you go. Well, vessel safety check 2019. I think you're out of compliance.
You what?
I think you're.
Me? I ain't out of compliance. I am fully compliant. With the exception of the fact that I don't have a bear.
You probably should have snuck one in your backpack.
I didn't bring any more with me.
No.
The only reason I had that one is because I wanted to finish it.
We can leisurely paddle to the lighthouse.
No, we cannot.
She said it's like right there. That's the when you get to.
She said it was an hour round trip.
Hmm.
I'm gonna have to go in.
Why?
My arm is killing me.
Okay.
Huh?
I said okay.
It's this damn elbow.
It's right there.
Okay.
But I'm gonna see if I can't make it to the lighthouse and back.
Alright.
All right, guys, we're on a mission. We're on a mission from Gad. We're going to see if we can make it to the lighthouse. The girl said it was an hour trip, round trip. So it should take us 30 minutes there and 30 minutes back. Which should be a good workout, hopefully. I mean, I can see the top of it right now. You can see that the red top of it. But we did a video already of the St. Augustine Lighthouse. If you want to see that video, it's in our Waller Adventures playlist. So I eventually want to get a kayak where you can paddle with your feet, and it's got a big huge rudder on the bottom, so that way I'm not using my arms. All my muscles are in my legs because of my soccer and horse riding days. But yeah, there is the lighthouse. See if you can go up to it a little bit. The lighthouse is really cool. And like I said in our video with the St. Augustine Lighthouse Museum, it kind of looks like Cape Hatteras Lighthouse in North Carolina. It's just the Cape Hatteras Lighthouse does not have the red on top. But that's how ships would distinguish what shore they were on, by the lighthouse colors. And there she be, the lighthouse. St. Augustine Lighthouse. Check it out in all of its glory. It was worth the paddle on the kayak to see it. Here, I'll zoom in. There's the lighthouse. All right, so the chick that we got the kayak rental and all that stuff from said the boundary point is the lighthouse. So we're going to turn back around and meet back up with Audrey. But yeah, check out the lighthouse, it's pretty. So I was getting ready to say, like, can you imagine, you know, Point de Leon coming up in here and seeing all this? But fun fact, this inlet is man-made. Anastasia Park Beach over here to our left is man-made. I got a brochure from the quarries, the Spanish coquina quarries that we went to, and it said that this inlet is man-made. There used to be a conch island and a bird island. That's what this whole beach used to be, and then over time with the waves and stuff and the erosion and the storms and all that in between, it made this whole beach right here with some help of dredging as well. So back then in Point de Leon's time, he probably could see this. That wasn't in the way. Leisurely make our way back in. Skirt. Ooh.
Done?
Yeah.
I'll take care of the boat.
Okay. All right, guys. So that was our last adventure on this Camping in Anastasia Park series. So, you know, we went to the grill and had some lunch. Came out here and checked out some of the wildlife. Saw the St. Augustine Lighthouse. Like I said before, we did a video on that, so if you want to check it out, you can go to the Waller Adventures playlist and see it and learn more about it. So stay tuned for our last Camping in Anastasia Park episode. It will be us packing everything up, giving a review of what we thought about the park. So be sure to check that out. So if you like this video, give it a thumbs up. If you're subscribed to the channel, we greatly appreciate it. If you're not, hit that subscribe button. It will help our channel grow. And we are on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Also in the description below, there will be a link to our bigger shop where you can get cool Waller Adventures merch. So thanks for watching. See you soon.